Happy morning, children. Belated Happy Deepavali. Let us to begin your second semester's first poem, that is, Where Do All the Teachers Go? Children, you may have thought at least once, okay, what work we will do after our school hours, whether our teachers too will do the same. Have you got this thought ever? Of course, it's quite common that everyone will get. Here, a child, a child think many things about a teacher. Let us to come to know. For a little child, a teacher is special, isn't it? And you too may have some special teachers whom do you loves a lot. Hmm? It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. For little child, teacher is greater than everyone. Even you too felt the same. Okay, let us to start the poem. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? When school bell rings, then where do all the teachers go? You will go to your home. What about teachers? Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? Whether the teachers too go to their houses and they too wash their socks? Whether the teachers wear pajamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their nose like you people do? Do you pick your nose? Like the same, the teachers too. Do they pick their noses? Either the teachers live with other people, whether they too have their dads and moms, and they were ever children, and were they ever bad? Whether they too were children like us, whether were they bad? Did they ever never spell right? Whether they were perfect in each and every step, in each and every subject that they learnt? And did they ever make mistake? Have they made mistake ever? And were they punished in the corners that we are getting punishments now? And whether they pinched the chocolate flakes like you people are doing, pinching chocolates, eating chocolates? Did they ever lose their hymn books? Whether have they lost their books? Whether have they too left Green's living ground after bell for the next class? Whether they too left the grounds to hear next class? Whether they scribble on the desktop so that you do, so that your benches are so colorful, isn't it? Do you do this? Don't do that again, which is not so good. Did they wear old dirty jeans? Yuck. Okay, so here a student say, I'll follow one back home today. One day I'll follow a teacher and I'll find it out what our teachers do. When I'll come to know all these things, then I'll put each and everything of a teacher in a poem that everyone can read. Now, children, this beautiful poem is penned by Peter Dickson. Children, I think you too may have many doubts about your teachers, isn't it? You too have such kind of doubts. Why don't you too try to write a small poem? Will you try? Just try it out. Good day, children. Take care.